Guys, I'm back as a full-time trader. So this is the Wolf of US30. From being the master of German 30 to being the Wolf of US30. So guys, I'm gonna show you and make you understand what's going on here. As you can see, the analysis is very perfect. So I'm gonna dive in and show you what's happening. And obviously, basically, I've just funded a 70 rands and I'm trying to flip it to 1,000 rands, so obviously, and I'm halfway there. So I'm just gonna show you my floating profits, and obviously, after that, we're just gonna dive in on how we were able to spot the entries and all of that. But before we go to the video, let me just show you how things are going. So check the analysis and then check the entry. You can see that I respected my analysis and obviously I entered where I was supposed to enter. So remember guys, this is a real account. It's Vault Market. It's a micro account. And then obviously look at the profit. Look at the deposit was 70 rands. And we're floating on 468, and obviously our balance is on 308 from a deposit of 70. The account was doubled 2 days back, and obviously history, as you can see, the current profit, so there are losses there and there, but the most important thing is the wins and respecting your analysis and trusting in the process and being patient. So guys, this is what's happening, so for let's say, you can see here's the chart. Entry point, entry level. Trump is back and the market is still gonna be volatile. So that's the reason why I went back to being the Wolf of US30, and there's no going back. Let's just go to the video. Don't forget to subscribe. So guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the Wolf of US30. I was once the master of German 30, but obviously I've mastered US30, and obviously I've seen how volatile it is. So guys, you are looking at the chart, which is a 4-hour time frame, and obviously I'm going to be explaining what's happening here, and I'm going to be showing you trades that I took because it's office time. So if you've watched my previous videos, obviously I was using a bigger screen. Now I've got myself an office, so I'm excited that I'm going to be using a screen that's not going to be causing my eyes to just get tired or to get problems. So yeah, let's get back to it. So guys, as you can see, we've been in a bullish momentum, which is a bullish trend, like for a very long time. But now the market had to lose momentum and change in direction, but like obviously I'm gonna explain how I knew that the market was gonna be changing the direction. As you can see, I don't like complicating things, so obviously I'm just a pure price action trader. Obviously I know a lot of you are now into smart money concept, but obviously I like sticking to what I know, and obviously I love keeping things simple. So now what's happening here is that obviously the market reached its higher high, whereas obviously it broke its previous high. Let's go to a daily time frame to be able to see this. So yeah, I'm just gonna say reset chart view, and then you just wanna open it. So you can see we even broke the high today. The new high, we broke it today. As you can see, it's still moving up, so because of the Trump winning the presidency run. So we're just gonna go back to our H4, and then we're gonna reset chart view. Wow, the view is better now. As you can see, we're still buying. So obviously when the market came here to the high, I knew that it was gonna go back, but I had to confirm. So I drew my triangle box to the previous high. So I knew that when the market was supposed to break here, it was gonna be my confirmation to sell. even though I was not sure how far it can sell, and even though I saw it was gonna sell very very long, this was a long sell. After it broke my previous high, I knew that I was supposed to wait for the market to retrace, and then obviously that's when I was gonna take my entries. But nonetheless, I came back late to the market and the market was already gone. So obviously when the market broke, I drew another rectangle box, and then when it broke I entered. So I'm going to be showing you the history. So now we had what we call a break of structure, where you can see the mouse is playing. So I knew that now it's time to take my sells, but now I needed to know when to stop, So obviously I drew another triangle, my rectangle box, which is highlighted in purple. So I knew that there was a high possibility that the market was going to lose momentum and the sellers were going to lose the strength, So obviously, as you can see, let me try to show you. Come on. Obviously the market failed to break here, the market failed to break here, the market failed to break here, the market failed to break here again, So when the market went up to this place, I knew that obviously now I'm looking for buying opportunities, whereas I had to wait. So my buying opportunities were going in line with me knowing that obviously Trump was running the presidency run, and obviously I knew that if Trump wins, then the market is gonna buy here, because when it's Trump, the market is very volatile. So I entered. So this is the analysis, as you can see. Let me just show you the trade, and then we're done. I'm not gonna explain a lot, but obviously if you wanna know more about how I get to see these things, you need to just comment below. So now I'm going to be going to my entry point. So remember, I funded with the 70 rands, and obviously now it's I think it's running to 1,000. It was a road to 1,000, and I did that in 3 days. So let's just go see. That shows the willingness to wait, the willingness to trust your analysis, and the willingness to be able to not chase money, but like the skill and knowledge. So yeah, let's just go, and then it's gonna be the end of the video then. Ooh. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, so I can drop more content.